Manipur University Vice-Chancellor Professor Naurim Lokendra has asserted that India has surpassed European countries in terms of gross domestic product (GDP), rising from 6.3 to 6.9%. The statement was made during the opening function of a two-day national seminar on the theme Values India and Western Perspective, which is being organized by Manipur University Department of Philosophy under the aegis of India Council of Philosophical Research, New Delhi, at the university's VC Court Hall today. That function was attended by Manipur University former Dean and Department of Philosophy Head of Department Professor Salam Shyam Kishore and the current School of Humanities Dean Professor N. Pramodini. Speaking further, Professor Lokendra said that most of the Christians in European countries achieved economic industrial success. He added that Sanskrit is a part of the curriculum of European South Asian centers. Furthermore, Professor Lokendra said that those European South Asian centers had also signed a memorandum of understanding with Varanasi University and Manipur University. He maintained that a two-day seminar can provide knowledge and benefits to the attendees.
The more we travel, the more we are exposed, we see of how the Indian culture's domination, let me not say domination, but cultural expansion in Southeast Asia and many other places. They are doing exceptionally well. Therefore, this two-day seminar, I think, should be able to come out with a comprehensive kind of recommendations so that our thirst for understanding what actually took place during the 18th and 19th century colonial India and how all these narratives and how all these systems of marginalizing the Indian thought process were there and how this kind of a resurgence has again come back in the contemporary days.